Alright, so today is typically reserved for a podcast video, but this is kind of important. If you're new here, hey, hi, how's it going? I'm your pal Cal. Today, I have a huge announcement. So, as some of you might know, I love war driving. It's kind of my hobby. I love testing different war drivers. I like doing war driving things, and I like testing different devices that do war driving. War driving is large-scale surveying, and back in the day on Wiggle, it was to find web networks, and it's a database to analyze channel interference, dead zones for Wi-Fi, heat signatures for Wi-Fi, and a lot more, like finding free Wi-Fi, for example. But war driving has become sort of a game. Wiggle is an online database, wiggle.net, and basically people compete for, you know, the top of the leaderboard. Right now, the Net Stumbler Wiggle guys are number 1, and, well, technically 0 doesn't count. They're number 0, to be perfectly honest with you. But it's been getting exciting. War driving has become more and more popular, and as of yesterday, our Wiggle team, NerdSec, is now the largest team on Wiggle. So congratulations to Kinda Geeky and the rest of the team. I love you guys. It's been amazing watching us go from 16 members to, 325, 327? It's insane, which is... It's a testament of how amazing this community is together and how amazing people can get together, have fun, and compete to get to the top of the leaderboard. We were ranked number 117, at the end of 2025, and now we're ranked number, I think, 15 or 16 on Wiggle. But today's video is not about Wiggle. War driving has become a lot more gamified, and I mean in the best way possible. There is now a war driving game for hackers, and it's awesome. It's amazing, and I kind of got to give you guys the backstory. An awesome member of the community by the name of Loco reached out to me a couple months ago and was like telling me about his idea on this project that he was working on, and I thought Loco was loco. Well, no, I am the loco one here because he did every single thing he said he was going to do. He gamified war driving in the coolest way possible. So he's set up teams. He's called the teams gangs. I feel like I'm fighting an indictment now, but anyway, there are teams. I'm going to call them teams because calling them otherwise is going to land me back in the federal penitentiary, and I do not want that to happen. So you have teams on WDG Wars.PL. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm going to list it right here. It is amazing. Like, it is the coolest thing I have ever seen in terms of war driving. It was made for war drivers, and it doesn't just analyze war drive logs. It analyzes mesh-tastic radios, mesh core radios, ADS-B on SDR radios. He's implemented everything, and before you start talking about privacy and you're giving everything to Big Brother, no, he's privatized it. It's amazing. It's the coolest thing I have ever seen in terms of war driving, and it is so fun. So the way he set things up is you know, teams, he calls them gangs. I'm trying my hardest not to fight an indictment because I don't want to go back to federal prison, but I'm going to call them teams. Teams. You have teams where you can set up these, you know, gang teams and compete for areas, territories, and you can fight against them. Currently, I'm beefing hard with the Biscuit team and Ghost Strats' Digital Ghost Collective, because I'm trying to figure out how in the hell New England came down to Northern Virginia. This makes no sense. But I've, you know, happily taken over the metropolitan DC area back, and I am ready to smoke anybody who comes in my way. Anytime you try to take over a square, I'm going to take over that square right back. I've got months of war drive logs, and I can keep at this for days, months. Let's try me. But anyway, let me get back. It is so fun. And you can set up your own team, or you can join our team, which is the Blackwire Militia team, which is filled with members of the Blackwire Militia. I'll list the gang code down below. It sounds so weird, but it's awesome. The team code, the whatever code, it's down below in the description. You can join these teams, or you can be solo, you can do your thing, but I would suggest that you join or start your own team. There, I would love for there to have been a NerdSec team, and then just everybody from NerdSec join the NerdSec team, because the reason why the Biscuit team is doing so well is because Hedge from Biscuit Shop integrated it in the Biscuit Pro and soon to be Biscuit Ultra. But it gets even better than that. There's a pineapple pager payload that activates Watch Dogs Go on the pager. And you can WarDrive on the pager, upload in real time. It is so sick. It is the coolest thing ever. And I had to make a video about it because I've been uploading logs for the last 45 minutes. And there is an upload limit before you're like, oh, you could just keep uploading, old logs. No, you got a 500,000 upload limit. I'm looking at you, Frostbite. Also, Frostbite from NerdSec, who's got months of logs, is already #1 on Watch Dogs Go, which is insane to me. Also, you stabbed me in the back once again. I'm sitting here trying to compete with you on Wiggle, and you done bit me on a whole nother team on Watch Dogs. I see you, Frostbite. I see what you're doing, and I don't like it. It's okay though. I forgive you. This type of healthy competition is amazing, and I'm beefing hard with Ghost because I don't know if he's got a truck driver or something driving all the way up from New England down to Southern Virginia. It makes no sense at all. I'll take care of it. Don't you worry about it. But I had to tell you guys, if you're interested in war driving and you've got any device that can war drive, you can join the game, man. This is so fun. War driving, when it comes right down to it, aside from the professional aspects of war driving is fun. War driving can just take driving and make it into a game, which is awesome. And of course, follow the laws of your region. Do not break any laws. If you're in a country that doesn't allow war driving, like Saudi Arabia, for some reason, apparently, it's what I hear. Yeah, according to what I hear, Saudi Arabia doesn't allow war driving, which makes kind of fitting, to be perfectly honest with you. But what I'm trying to say here, if you're interested, you can literally just set up an account. I'm going to show you how you can set up an account and how you can join a team, because I'd implore you, if you're war driving, if you're on NerdSec, if you want to have even more fun war driving, you got to join WDG Wars.PL, man, because it is like that. It is really like that. And I'm going to list all the information down below for you guys to join the Black Wire Militia team, because that's the team that you should definitely join, man. I'm just saying, forget what Ghost is talking about. Purple Man and purple, Angry Eyes. Don't listen to Angry Eyes. Don't join his team. Don't join the Biscuit team either. Take your biscuit and join the Black Wire Militia team. Yes, flat out. I'm not only trying to take over the Northern Virginia area and Southern Maryland, and I've already taken over the DC area. I wanna see Black Wire Militia from the East Coast to the West and in parts of across the pond, man. And I mean that wholeheartedly. I could use any help that you guys could give, because I'm trying to make this even more fun than it already is. Let me show you guys the website. Let me show you guys how you can get started, because it is so worth it. And whatever device you have that can war drive, you're already in. 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, tri-band war driving with a pager, it don't matter. Also, we'll be placing Piglets, which is the Midwest Gadgets open source project, fully completed, and PCBs, I believe, on the Tindy website for Midwest Gadgets, and I believe they're going to be on the ValleyTechSolutions.tech website as well. So it's going to be something like that. And I know this video is going to piss off a lot of people who are, on the teams that are counter to mine. But man, I had to make this video because the game is like that. Let me show you.
All right, so this is WDGWARS.PL. It is simply amazing. This is a live map of what's going on. You have live ADSB, live mesh core, live team territories and whatnot. We can go into my area, and currently, oh my god, this is what I'm talking about. Where did this come from? So the white is the Biscuit team, the red right here is the Black Wire Militia team, and as you can see, I've kind of taken over. Oh, well, I was in that corner of Silver Spring. I'm slowly cutting hedge off from Southern Maryland. I am going to probably take over all of that. This has got to go. This is mine too. I'm going to take that too. And you can see how Ghost Strats is stretching from Bridgeport all the way down to Woodbridge, which is annoying to say the least. somehow in the, Virginia Peninsula thing that should probably, isn't this Maryland or Virginia? I'm pretty sure that's, yeah, I'm confused. I think, yeah, I'm trying to figure out what part, maybe this is Maryland, maybe this is Virginia. It don't matter. I'm going to take that. I'm going to take this entire thing. And it gets pretty exciting. You can see what's going on in real time. You can upload all of your logs by first setting up an account, and then you go to this little guy icon. It's in English and Polish. It tells you how many people are online. We got 13 people online. This is my stats right here. You can hit, gang, which is, teams, for lack of a better word. You can connect your Wiggle account. This is what's going on here in my team. I'm ranked number 1. We got Cherry Tomato, Anubis, Notorious Squirrel, Beige Worm, Redneck, Netrunner. What's up, baby boy? Man in the Mayhem, the owner, Equip, your NFC Genius right here. You again, Shadow, Daka, who just joined the Valley Tech team, Stevie, NYX, Yinzer Beats, Champ. Oh my God, I love your face, Champ. Virus, Vanquisher, and yeah, you can join different teams with a gang code. It also tells you how many networks you've taken or territories you've taken from the enemies, how many you've lost to enemies. You get badges, which is sick. You can take your recovery seed. What is it? Right here it tells you can enter your code to enter a team. You have your API keys here, which you'll have to generate for your biscuit or your pager, or soon to be more devices such as on the Bruce Firmware. Right here, it tells us I've hit my daily limit. I tried combining CSVs, and that was probably not the best idea because it shut me out all at once while trying to get everything done. You can configure your Wiggle name and your Wiggle API token, all of that. This is the coolest thing ever.
Look, WDG Wars is, to me, one of the coolest things to ever happen to Wardriving. And I've just started Wardriving on my Raspberry Jack. I've added an alpha tri-band adapter and a VK172 or 162 with the Stemadu GPS dongle. And I added 2 Bolton antennas. So this thing is crazy, and Wardriving with the evil firmware by the other one is an amazing choice if you don't want to get a pineapple pager and you don't have a biscuit, you want to DIY something sick. This is definitely it, and you will be seeing WDG Wars be integrated into the Bruce Firmware, Pork Chop, and a lot of custom firmware within the community. So this is simply amazing. Once again, I would implore you to join our team. I'm not going to say that other word because I am not about to hop into a Rico. Call me paranoid. That's just me. Hopefully he can change the name just because, for my own personal, sanity here. But, yeah, join the team, man. Help me beat Ghost, or you can join Ghost, or you can join the Biscuit team, or, you can join the best team smoking, man. We're still the underdog somehow. Once again, I'm always the underdog in these situations. God, man. It's okay. Still gonna try. I'm gonna compete with Frostbite. We're gonna see what happens. I love your faces. We'll be back to regular programming. I believe we have a podcast coming out for the Blackwire Militia either tomorrow or the day after. And then we have a special podcast, an off the podcast, and an interview, which, man, with some great things happening, man. So make sure you tune in. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, because we go over all different types of stuff all the time, my guy. And you're invited. Also, this is amazing. Like, kudos to the other one for making something so sick. We'll see you next time.